Good afternoon, honorable jury and user representation. I am Ashwini and I am representing CSM Technologies. Basically, this presentation is all about a utility, we can say, e-dispatch, the base of the government, the letters. What we are doing through this utility is we are automating the dispatch of the letters. It seems very simple that what we are doing is it's the automation of the dispatch of the letters, but the impact is quite high. I will just brief you about the description of this project. The objective of the e-dispatch was to be a panacea for this ever going delayed letter. Basically, the problem was, whenever any of the government officers issue the letter and it has to be sent to any of the recipients, it takes so much time that when you ask the concerned officer that you got the letter, then he has to look into his files and say, okay, I have to just check it. So basically for that purpose only we built this utility that once you issue a letter, within few clicks the recipient will be getting the letters. We have designed 5 modes through which you will be getting the letters like email, e-space, quick space. I will be elaborating all these modes. The second is the recipient officer downloads the letter through a secure user ID and a password to process inspection notification. Means apart from the public domain, there are some kind of interfaces we have developed that through which a person, suppose I am officer and that letter is sent to me by my directorate. So through a user ID and a password, I can access that letter through a public URL. The tools are the knowledge management and productivity tool, thus making sure this all the facets of government is all the impacts of the government notices and everything are kept secure in a one central place. That is what through this tool we are doing. The second part is all the letters which are being issued. If you want to track down after 6 months a particular letter, so if you don't have a digital repository, it is really an impossible task to search that particular letter. So what we have done is we have developed a MIS kind of thing. If you want to track down a letter with the subject name or who has issued the letter or which date was issued, through which scheme it was issued, kind of. This is a kind of MIS we have developed. Some of the times being a public means vendor, we are also called by the government that we have written a letter 6 months back, can you send us the copy back? So it happens. So for basically that purpose, what we have done is we have developed a MIS through which you can search down the letter after 6 months also. The last point I will be telling you in the recently, we all are aware of the RTI. Most of the letters are, through RTI applications. We are getting we want the copy of that letter through RTI applications. What we have done is we have developed a console, and if you want to publish that letter on the website, so you just need to do a yes or no whether you want to publish the letter for the public or not. So if you do it yes, then it will be automatically published on the website of the government department. That's the project description. Uniqueness, I will tell you. The uniqueness is basically what we are doing is we are keeping all the letters issued by the government departments across one place. If you want to access any of the letters, whichever the letters which are being issued from the government department or directorate, that's kept at one place. That's the first unique point. Second is the citizens information space. Citizens information space in terms of suppose any of the citizen wants to know about any kind of letter, they can go to that particular website of that government department and they can just search it across whatever the letter which have been issued from that particular department through any of the schemes. Basically, this is helping the journalist or the officers or the general public. So, which is lower down the RTI applications in Odisha also. Third is creating archives. Archives in terms of that you want to keep file-wise manner. What we are doing is we are capturing the details of the letter with some of the predefined text boxes in terms of from which file it is being issued. So as per the database which we are using is we can just have a digital file also, and in that digital file we can have all the letters tagged with that. You can carry that file in your iPad, in your Android mobile, anything. That is what we have developed in that one. Impact, that as you can see the numbers, the reach of the e-dispatch is around 1,192 officers in Odisha, and we are just about to roll it to the 1945 officers in the pipeline in the health sector in Odisha. One of our in Himachal also we have implemented this e-dispatch. Then the second part is the postal cost saving. You just imagine a situation that one single letter has to send across 500 blocks through either through a speed post or through a registered post. But through e-dispatch, what is happening that they are just sending this letter through the electronic media, and so there is a heavy cost of reduction. there is a heavy reduction in the cost. Time saving. Suppose you want to share a letter with the remotest block in your district or in the state. So for that purpose also this is quite helpful. That you know that this is quite time saving. Paper saving can also solve in most of the letters. What you will say is that copies are marked to the officers and they just take a printout and everything. For that purpose also you can just take that's a paper saving also. Reduction of staff, mostly through one operator, all the letters are being issued in that particular department. That is across 33 departments, planned to include 7, and out of 39 departments, we have included 33 departments in Odisha, and here we have done it for around 5 directorates. And Himachal, the whole secretariat is using the system for issuing the letters. Then the second is the 1200 directorates and subject offices, planned to include 3000 more online offices in the next year. Current office e-space users, the users who are actually using this e-dispatch are around 2000 in numbers. And we have a very unique desktop application. Basically, the problem was if you want to ask the officer that you go to this link and then you use your user ID and a password and then you log into the system. But through this, we have designed a desktop application in which you just need to invoke your. Just I will take not more than 1 minute. I was just trying to make out that we have developed a very small application like a chat application. You just invoke your computer, start your computer. That application will be invoked automatically and you will be getting all the data. So you don't need to log in and anything else. You just need to be connected to the internet. That's a wonderful application we have done it. And there are 5 PMUs and to be extended to 30 PMUs in Odisha. That is what we have done. Thank you. Any questions?
I have just one question. Why do you need 30 PMUs?
Basically, that's a government chart. They are implementing 30 PMUs, and we want to implement e-dispatch in those PMUs.
Why? See, you are a service provider. You are saying that basic process re-engineering is done by which instead of physically sending a letter, you are sending an electronic letter.
So we are not setting these PMUs. What we are trying to tell you is that there are across 30 PMUs will be set by the government, and we will be implementing the e-dispatch in those PMUs. That's what we are trying to make.
What will those PMUs do?
That's like in horticulture they are doing. Some of the PMUs are working for the horticulture, some of the PMUs are for the urban department. These are the PMUs.
Newly set up.
Yeah, these are supposed to be set up in this 13-14 by the government of Odisha.
Sorry, I don't understand the project.
Now, basically, what I am trying to make out here is that PMUs, like any of the government departments setting up PMU for any of the projects, right? So we are implementing the.
There is only one e-dispatch project, right?
That's an e-dispatch, yeah.
That enables government departments to convert their physical mail into an electronic format and send it across.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a basic project,
Yes.
right? Why do you need separate PMUs is what I'm asking.
These PMUs are not for the e-dispatch.
What are they for?
Suppose if urban department is having a PMU and then they are using our e-dispatch product, rural department is having another PMU and these PMUs are not for particularly for the e-dispatch. E-dispatch is just a utility which these PMUs are using.
Okay, so they're not being set up for e-dispatch.
No, not at all.
So why is that part of the presentation?
So that's what we are trying to make out that we have given a proposal for it. We are trying to make out the implementation of all these PMUs. Actually, Chief Secretary has given us this productivity of the tool is that much important that it has been decided in Odisha that all the letters and everything will be issued through this e-dispatch only. So that's the point.
Actually, it is a paid thing, license based. So that is why you set up the.
They want to have the commercial viability.
So which department use it?
No, I think.
Which are the existing?
For every license.
No, I
In
will.
Himachal, I will just tell you one thing. In Himachal, we have implemented this in the Himachal.
Please don't say this. Actually, don't say. I was not objecting for this previously, but when Madam asked this question, it has not been implemented in the Inter-Secretariat. So, don't say it is for one department, DIT. It has been
In fact, like I will just tell you what is the concept we are having as in Himachal
for
Secretariat.
every department they were asking some money.
Okay.
Every office wise they were asking
No,
me.
I-
So
This
it was
is the
stopped.
license, this is the license.
Yeah, basically this is the license-based system, but in Himachal, all the letters are being issued from the one central nodal place.
It's
In
always
Himachal,
Right? Secretary can issue a letter, director can also issue a
yeah,
letter.
in fact, they have their
How
own.
it can go?
Yeah, but for all the department, they have, they have, that is what we are doing in the Himachal.
The central registry is for dispatch.
Yeah, exactly, that's what I'm trying to talk about.
Director can also issue a letter, na?
Yeah, means all the
So
officers-
his office is different. So you are asking that.
So you're saying it's implemented in central registry and
No,
not even central?
only one department, the department of ID.
Department five. Okay, alright.
Just.
चलो छोड़ दे।
No, just, I just.
हाँ,
want to
दिखाओ
make
चलो,
it-
दिखाओ भी। आप डायरेक्टर हॉर्टिकल्चर का एक भी लेटर दिखा दो मुझे सर्च करके चलो आप लिख कर रहे
Which has been issued by the director.
which has been issued by the director horticulture or director treasuries or director any director.
These are the departments which are using the e-dispatch.
Show me the letter issued by any director. Director horticulture.
Two letters. Can you go back, please?
Can you go back to the previous slide, please?
You come down to vertical.
Pull it down.
No. Go. H. Vertical.
Yeah. Just click on horticulture department.
The two notifications.
Yeah. So will I be able to view the letter or will I be able to view?
You will be able to view the
myself?
letters as well. I will just show you.
Okay. What are the one that we were looking at?
I will just show you.
So there is some. Yeah.
Okay, there are two letters.
And these have been issued in the
11
secretariat.
2011.
These will be issued from secretariat.
2011.
Like, what I am trying to just, I will interrupt for, sorry, I will just interrupt you. What I am trying to make out here is, you can see all the department, there is one e-dispatch implemented in Himachal, okay, and you know, you can just see, yeah, please.
There's slight point of dispute to the degree of implementation in Himachal government, and as for the moment, I think we should leave it at that. And we have seen your presentation and we do understand how this works.
Yeah, this is just what we have done it for Odisha. You can see almost all the departments are implemented this one.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.